one of the good things that's going to come out of this is that we, as the 5 different schools across the state, for the first time to my knowledge and my experience, we've been able to sit down and come to some agreement on some common curriculum.
Because of the idea of unifying all the colleges together and getting us all on the same page, I think it's going to work out really well.
They were recognizing the benefits of the way certain schools were doing one thing over maybe the way they did it, and that, you know, they want to work toward a curriculum, one curriculum, core curriculum that could be approved statewide.
Well, I like the idea that we've all come together, and that's for the good of the state, that we're trying to promote aviation maintenance, because that generally doesn't happen. Generally, we're kind of, I would say, you know, down towards the bottom of the list. You know, the pilots are always up here, the mechanics are kind of down here, you know, and it just kind of follows through everything. And it's nice to see that we can come together, have some clout, and, you know, show people how important we really are.
Bringing us all together like this is for the better of the state for industry. It's a benefit for the students. And I think collectively there can be some, you know, we always complain about not having enough marketing dollars when you're trying to market on an individual basis. And now this group, I think, will have some, you know, overall statewide marketing going into this, and putting it in front of the students out there that are, you know, looking for careers and trying to decide on a pathway, and knowing a little bit more about aviation, having it come from a, you know, kind of a consortium of a group of colleges and everything all put together.
I think this group really, truly, you know, sees the greater good that further down the line. They're looking beyond what they're doing right now to what's going to serve Washington better in the long run.
The whole idea to come together with the best practices, you know, best practices of a curriculum, the best practices of how to handle records, the best practices of how to even, you know, down to the point of giving out information. Clover Park and Everett are heavy on helicopters. You know, I've got students that would love to, if it gets set up so that they're, you know, teaching part of their helicopter curriculum during the summer. I know I've got students in my group that would love to go over to Clover Park and take a couple classes just in helicopters.
Oh, I like the collaboration. You know, we can work together. I'd like to see us, you know, keep working together to the common goal of, you know, better instructing students, better interaction between the schools, just so we can have a better product for, you know, ultimately we're the end users, whether they be Boeing or ATS or, you know, a small FBO. We want to have the best product that we can as far as students, you know, when they get their certificated A&P license, that they go out and do a good job for these guys. I mean, that's the bottom line. We want to be the best. And if this helps us be the best in the country, that's where I'd like to go.